Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will set up LM Studio in such a way that we will run free AI model without GPU. Only 8 GB RAM and CPU will do the job. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome and open it. And here I will search for LM Studio. Click on this first link, lmstudio.ai. Now here we are. We can download LM Studio by this download button. Click save and it will start downloading LM Studio. So it is 579 MB file, so it will take some time. I've already downloaded this, so I'll close this. I'll go to this folder and to downloads. And you can see LM Studio right here. So I'll open this exe file. So I'll right click on this and open it. Now here I'll click this I agree button. Now here I will check this. Anyone who uses this computer, all users, because I'm the only user. Now click next. Yes, I agree again. And now click on install. And it will install LM Studio on this path. And it requires 1.9 GB of space. So click on install. And now you can see it is installing. So now it will take some time in installation. So we will wait. LM Studio is installed, so I'll click on this finish and it will launch LM Studio. So now LM Studio is open. So first we will go to the settings and we will change the folder for our models installation because I do not want the C drive to be filled quickly. So I'll go to this and change, and here I will go to D. And I have created this LM Studio models. I will select this folder and select the folder. I will close this. Now here is the menu. If we select this, so here is the local server. Now if I select this from here, you can view all LMs, text and my models which are already installed. And with this, it will show you all the models that are available in LM Studio. So now for this demo, we will select a small model. So for that, I will go down and here is this LFM 2.5 1.2B. So I'll select this and here it is loading option. Now you can see full GPU upload possible. So now here I'll select the smallest version of this, which is 730 MB. So I'll select this and download. Now it is downloading. So I'll show you a few things. If I hover over this eye icon, the model can process images input. So the model which have this eye icons with them, so you can give them images and input. Tools. This model has been trained for tool use. So you can use this model with tools like Cloud Code, Codex, OpenClaw, and this brain icon. This model supports reasoning. Now while this model is downloading, I will show you another one. Here is GLM 4.7. It is loading. So now you can see here, partial GPU upload is possible. You can download this, but it will be slower. Now if I go here and if I select this one, so as you can see, likely too large. So you can't use this on this computer. This computer cannot support this one. Now if I select this one, it is supported, but it will be slow. Now if I select this one, you can check them on your computer and this LM Studio will tell you that which one you can download and which one can't. So this can also be used, but it will be slow. Now if I select this Gamma 4 E2B, so now you can see you can use this and this will be fast enough. I'll select this 4B. This can also be used with no issue. So now if I close this and if I go to this download, so it will take time, so we will wait. So now you can see it is downloaded. So I'll close this. I'll come to this view all. You can see it here. Now you can see here download completed and load model. So I'll click on this and it will load the model. Now here I can chat with it. Hi, what is your specialty? So now you can see it has given me this answer. Can you code? Yes, it can do this. Write connection to MySQL program in Java. So now you can see here that it is giving us the full step-by-step method. And you can see that it is not slow, it is very fast. It is working very fast. Now I'll ask it, write me a sick leave application to HR. So now you can see here, it is written me this application. So in this way, you can install models in LM Studio and can use it for anything. In the next video, we will download a large one, this one, Gamma 4 E4B, and we will use Claude with it, that how it code for us. So I think this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.